what a mix up, what a thing. So if y'all see your bills go skyrocketing, your JPS bill, this is probably why. Because story come to bump. First never said this, but I'm glad. It says the Supreme Court has awarded a landowner in Ramsey Clarendon the sum of $65 million against the Jamaica Public Service for trespassing. The Gleaner understands that the Light and Power Company has signaled that it will be challenging that award at the Court of Appeal. JPS trespassed on the land by unlawfully erecting and maintaining its overhead power lines and poles across the perimeter, which prevented Rosemary Samuels, the landowner, from using and benefiting from an area of the property for rearing chickens in modernized chicken houses. Why your land so important? This is why our ancestors fought so hard for us to be able to own our own land, okay, and have we title and we deed and we pay we tax money a year time for our land, okay. When these big corporations come in and want to erect their things on our land, they have to pay up. Rosemary, I like you, girl. I like you a lot. It says the court accepts that barring any unforeseen circumstances, Miss Samuels would have been able to generate greater income from her operations, and had she been able to construct the 2 additional chicken houses on the said land, she was deprived of the use and benefit of a portion of the said land and suffered loss of income as a consequence. The judgment read in part. I would have judge you, because I never seen no judge good to any Jamaican yet. I would have judge any him. Them need to get a judge more cases, cause anyways, the ruling came after a 12-year-long legal battle between Samuels and JPS. 12 years. You see how them love drag out them case, yeah? It says the court said the $65 million is to be paid with interest at the rate of 3% per annum from April 9, 2008 to the date of judgment. When contacted for comment, the JPS says the matter was being reviewed by its legal team. All they want to do is carry the woman to court again because they don't want to pay her $65 million. But JPS with there and with the watch, you know, paid Rosemary her money on a thief in. The company noted, however, that JPS is permitted by law to negotiate easements with landowners. This particular easement was negotiated in 1995 and had peculiar issues. It doesn't affect JPS policies, which are compliant with Jamaica's laws. So if you have JPS power lines and things on the land, and you feel like you know benefit, you know, it's not benefiting, you know, y'all know what to do. We have enough lawyers at Jamaica too. Enough of them cases you can take pro bono and win a nice settlement money. Enough of no lawyer to not have none job, because there's so many out there Jamaica. When I have a big degree, so when I see cases like this, when I pass them, I don't want to deal with them. But baby, Rosemary get her money, and I'm glad for her. Okay, the only person I'm actually sad for are Jamaican citizens, because I feel like persons I'm sad for in this situation is Jamaican citizens, because I feel like a lot of time them take liberty away, them use we and abuse we, and I feel like for them to pay the $65 million, they're going to hike up these people's light bill. We've seen them done it before, and I think they're going to probably do it again. This is just my thoughts and opinions. This is just me predicting what I think is going to happen. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. What do you think about this 12-year-long legal battle that this Jamaican woman just won for $65 million? Do you have JPS line and pole on your property and it's causing you to lose income? what are the deals that were made with your family members from back in the day to put up them light posts and them light wire and them things there. Comment what they are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.